Understanding Stage Act, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss: the phrase, stage act. This is a term you might have heard in various contexts, and today we're going to break it down, explain what it means, and show you how to use it in sentences. So, if you're ready to add another phrase to your English vocabulary, stay tuned. Stage act is a compound noun made up of two words, stage and act. Stage refers to a specific area where performances take place. It could be in a theater, a studio, or any other venue designed for performances. Act refers to a performance itself. It can be a play, a dance, a musical performance, or any other type of artistic presentation. When combined, stage act refers to a performance that takes place on a stage. It can be live or recorded, professional or amateur. Now that we understand what stage act means, let's see how it can be used in sentences. 1. The magician's stage act was incredible. He had the entire audience in awe. 2. During the talent show, there were several stage acts, ranging from singing to acrobatic performances. 3. The theater group is holding auditions for a new stage act they are developing. In these examples, stage act is used to describe various types of performances taking place on a stage. It's also useful to know some synonyms and related terms. Performance. This is a more general term that can refer to any presentation, not just one on a stage. Show. This is another general term, but it usually implies a staged or planned event. Routine. This is often used for comedic or dance performances. Understanding these related terms can help you better grasp the concept of a stage act and how it fits into the broader world of performances. And that's it for today's lesson on stage act. We hope this video has helped clarify what this phrase means and how you can use it in your own conversations or writing. Don't forget to practice using it in sentences to really make it stick. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.